Hi, and welcome to Helpo. This video is part of a series on advanced words to use on the IELTS or any other advanced English language exam. Building vocabulary is a crucial step to getting a high score on any English language exam. On the IELTS writing tasks, for example, you'll be graded on Lexical resource, which evaluates your ability to employ a broad range of vocabulary. To help you improve vocabulary, our expert tutors at Helpo have identified several dozen advanced English words. We'll give you the word's definition, simpler synonyms you probably already know, and 3 example sentences. All of the definitions we use are taken from Oxford Languages, powered by Google. In this video, we're going to cover how to use 6 verbs to take your English writing skills to the next level. Ready to expand your vocabulary? Let's get started. These are the verbs we're going to show you how to use: jeopardize, fabricate, captivate, reinvigorate, aggravate, and elaborate. Let's start with the verb jeopardize. This verb means to put someone or something into a situation in which there is a danger of loss, harm, or failure. Synonyms include threaten, endanger, and risk. Don't jeopardize your chances of getting a high score by not studying advanced vocabulary. At all costs, the government should not jeopardize the safety of the population. She jeopardized her chances at getting a job by posting too many controversial videos on social media. As you can see in these examples, the verb jeopardize can be used instead of simple verbs like risk or threaten. Fabricate. Fabricate is a great verb to use instead of saying the more common phrasal verb made up. As you'd expect, fabricate means to invent or concoct something, typically with deceitful intent. Let's see some synonyms: falsify, make up, and invent. We could use any of the above to replace fabricate in the following examples. The boy fabricated a story about how he lost his bike so his parents would not get angry at him. It is never a good idea to fabricate documents when traveling, as this might result in serious penalties. Many politicians fabricate anecdotes so they seem more relatable to the population. Our next verb is captivate. This word means attract and hold the attention and interest of. Charm. Synonyms include attract, charm, and fascinate. Let's see some example sentences using captivate. The dancers captivated the audience during the entire show, from start to finish. The latest drama series out of Korea is so captivating that it is now one of the most watched programs in the world. We love taking pictures of colonial architecture, as it captivates our Instagram followers. Use captivate to draw attention to something that is attractive, charming, or fascinating. Reinvigorate. Reinvigorate means to give new energy or strength to. Here are a few synonyms: revitalize, renew, or stimulate. Use reinvigorate as in the following examples to talk about an action that's revitalizing or stimulating. Taking a retreat will reinvigorate the mind and soul to prepare you for whatever endeavor might come your way. Reinvigorating the body is a must after a particularly stressful period. The couple search effortlessly for a way to reinvigorate their relationship. Now let's look at a far less reinvigorating verb: aggravate. This negative verb means to make a problem, injury, or offense worse or more serious. Here are some synonyms for the verb aggravate: annoy, irritate, or anger. Let's look at some example sentences to see how this verb is used. The passenger aggravated the driver by constantly yelling into his cell phone during the ride. Although curious children might sometimes aggravate their parents, this is part of their natural development. The judge became aggravated when the plaintiff continued to interrupt the court proceedings. The final verb of our video is elaborate. It means to develop or present a theory, policy, or system in detail. Some other common synonyms are explain, add detail, or expand on. Here are some examples. The professor asked the student to elaborate on his thesis statement so as to make the essay stronger. Could you please elaborate on why you think it is unwise to scale back the project? It's important to elaborate by giving additional details as to why art should be eliminated from the regular school curriculum. Use the verb elaborate instead of writing explain or expand on when developing your essay arguments on any advanced English exam. Let's see the 6 verbs we covered in this video again. Jeopardize, fabricate, captivate, reinvigorate, aggravate, and elaborate. So make sure to use these 6 verbs to enhance your writing and don't jeopardize your chances at getting a high score by not using them. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a like, hit the notification bell, and share with friends. If you'd like to practice, comment with some sentences and we'll correct them for you. See you next time.